Hi, we are Compylo and this video is regarding the interview questions of Azure Analysis Services. How to change the data source in an Azure Analysis Services model. So to change the data source, we have to navigate to Tabular Model Explorer. And as you can see on the screen, under data sources, we have SQL written. Now, if we right click over there, so we get an option of change source, where we can change the server or database name along with the command timed out in minutes option. Once we click on OK, so I would suggest you to navigate to properties pane of your data model and select appropriate options regarding server and database names along with the processing option. And once you are done with it, click on OK. So that is how you can change the data source of your model and you can build and deploy it. Thank you.